How to make money on YouTube without getting monetized. You don't have to use a camera to shoot your videos or make your own videos. You can actually get paid just by re-uploading the videos. I want to just make it clear that this video is not what you think it is. This isn't one of those videos which tell you to use Creative Commons videos because you will never make money by re-uploading them on YouTube. This is a completely unique way to make money on YouTube in 2021. So if you want to get started on making money online, stay tuned. Before we get started, let me remind you that I have put a lot of effort into making these kinds of videos. So if you like them, please don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. As I said, we will be using YouTube to make us money online. Most of us know that you require 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of watch time in a year to be eligible for monetization. Even if you manage to get subscribers, watch time is a much bigger problem. And that's the reason monetization is not required for this method. I will show you exactly where and how to download videos that you will upload on YouTube for completely free. So keep watching until the end so that you won't miss out any important part. Now, we are going to use a website known as Teespring to make money on YouTube. So go to teespring.com. We can see that Teespring is a free, end-to-end solution for your e-commerce business. Let's see how it works. All you have to do is create on Spring and sell them on social media, which in our case is YouTube. It all comes down to only 3 simple steps to earn money. The first step is to design your products in Spring. Don't worry, I am going to explain how exactly we can create designs completely free of cost. The second step is to share our products with our community. The third step is to just collect our profit while they handle production, shipping, and customer support for us. But real quick, if you are enjoying the video, make sure to click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications so that you get notified whenever I come up with a new strategy to make money online. Now, let me demonstrate what you should do first when you arrive on YouTube. First, you have to look for something that is extremely popular and that people enjoy watching. As you can see, I looked up funny cats, and this is something you can do as well. It doesn't have to be cats in particular. The animal niches is vast, and funny dogs can be a fantastic choice. All you have to remember is that look for something that is extremely popular or is currently trending. As you can see, each of these videos has a large following. This video has over 1 million views, and there are plenty more with even higher numbers. The thing is, the videos you see are supported by ad revenue. But as previously stated, we will not be earning any advertising revenue. It takes a significant amount of time and effort. So when you're looking for funny cats or whatever, all you have to do is click on the filter button and choose the Creative Commons. As a result, we will be able to repost videos on YouTube without fear of being taken down for copyright violations. Even though YouTube won't let you monetize your videos, but as I said before, we don't need that. Now next, this video, which I came across, has over 1 million views. If you upload a video like this to your own channel, it has a lot of potential to go viral. Now next, what we are going to do is we already know that Teespring allows us to design various products and sell them on social media. Also, the best thing is, we can design them completely free, and they do most of the work for us, like printing, shipping, and customer services. So just for designing your product, you get to keep half of the profits of a sale. Now you might be thinking, what they have to do with our YouTube video? Well, since you are uploading a video in a very big and popular niche that could potentially go viral, you should create a product in Teespring and leave the link of that product in the description of the video. As a result, thousands upon thousands of people, if not millions, will be able to see it. In my example, it can be a t-shirt with a pet photo on it, since my video is related to pets. Pet lovers will be very much interested in buying a t-shirt like that. Now I'll show you how to design t-shirts that will look great even if you're a complete beginner. Go to teespring.com. First thing you should do is click the Start Designing button. You can either create an account by filling out all of your information or log in using Facebook, Google, or YouTube. Although, logging in with social media is faster. This is what you'll see when you log into your brand new account. To begin designing your product, simply click the Start Designing button. You'll be able to choose exactly what product you want to design from this page. As I previously stated, there are quite a few to choose from. You can see the trending products include bucket hats, bike shorts, yoga mats. Now, you must choose one of them and select Start with this. It will now bring you to the designer, and as you can see, on the left hand side, you can add images, add text, you can choose the color, you can customize the shirt from front and back. Finally, you have the price, which should be in $20 to $30 range. Because anything higher will result in very few sales and anything lower will result in little profit. As you can see, mine is priced at $27 and each sale will earn me $10. Now I will show you 2 ways to begin designing your product. The first way is to go and search for cleanpng.com. CleanPNG is a website where you can get a variety of images to put on your shirt. There are a bunch of different images with transparent backgrounds to use. Here you can search for stuff relating to your niche. So if you're looking for a t-shirt for dog lovers, type in a dog or something similar. You can see, I searched for cats and came up with over 90,000 results. So there are essentially too many images I can choose from. And more importantly, we can download and use them for free on our shirt. You have to find one image which you think will look good on your shirt. After choosing image, just click on it, then scroll down and click on free download. I will now go ahead and design my shirt with the image I just downloaded, so that you can see how it looks. So, I've just finished designing my shirt. Now keep in mind that you have to invest a tiny bit of time into this. You want your product to look good, so people will actually want to buy it. When you're done, what you need to do is click on Continue. Now they will provide you with a link to this product. You can copy the link to paste it into the video you uploaded, so that all your viewer will be able to see it and of course, buy it. Don't just leave the description with the link. Write something above, like t-shirts for sale or limited edition cat t-shirts. Because we are in such a large niche, the video will easily receive a lot of views and it will work on autopilot. You can also keep re-uploading other people's videos and designing more products using the site I showed you. And you'll be able to make thousands of dollars passively. The second way is to use a well-known website known as Canva. Search for a t-shirt to design with a lot of templates already made for use by Canva. Let me just design a simple t-shirt so that you will have an idea of what to do. Change the color of the t-shirt to your choice. I am selecting black color here. Now you can search cat in Elements and go to the graphics section for a lot of cat images to use. I will use this simple cat footprint image on my t-shirt and change the color to white. Now you just have to download this image and upload it on your t-shirt. That's it. I mean, just think about it. If 100,000 people viewed your videos, 1,000 of them buying your t-shirt is just 0.1%. By the way, that 1% would amount to $10,000. There is a lot of potential in this strategy. As you see, no ad revenue is required to get paid. And with that said, this is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe with notifications enabled so you don't miss out on any new content. I hope to see you in upcoming videos.